Okay, we're here at the Bennett Springs State Park with Justin and his wife, and we're gonna check out their square back. Just tell me a little about it if you could.
I built it completely myself, had the high school do the frame. Everything else we did in a barn, super cheap on a budget. Plywood, fiberglass with rhino liner over the top of it. And it's just super basic.
It's a nice looking rig. You got the car, this is storage down here?
Yep. All our outside storage. It goes completely underneath. Everything on the inside was, all of it was used.
Yeah, this is spacious compared to my little rig.
6 by 10, 5 foot tall.
Yeah, that headroom is really nice.
It makes a big difference. Big difference.
I'm finding that out. And these are all the
Missouri ones are plates off of vehicles I've owned.
We'll do a walk around here. Yeah, you got the nice rhino liner there. Looks like it holds up to the weather fairly well. Got a nice window in the side. You got your power plug-in and a DC battery box. You did say you could put an air conditioner in that window too, right?
An air conditioner goes in that window.
And they're doing kind of like I do on my galley lid.
And we try to get a
Get
sticker
all
for
these
every
stickers.
place we stayed.
There, for allowing us to view your trailer. It's a nice looking job.
Not a problem.
Okay, this morning's video is going to be on e-bike extraction. Not really too hard to get out. Fold it over. Okay, there you have it. Not a whole lot to it. Came right out. Okay, for security today, we're looping through the frame, going around this tree, so thieves have the option of cutting the cable or chainsawing the tree. Either would work, but the tree might drop on the bike, so that's counterproductive.